Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new video. Friends, what I am going to tell you in this video is very much interesting because in this video I am going to tell you invention that ended up with a different purpose. So friends, let's get start our video without any delay. Our first invention is the slinky. There are some toys that will always for entertaining, regardless of their age or how far technology has come. The slinky is definitely one of those. Mesmerizing spirals, shimmering from one side to the another, walking down a stair, or just generally being a great distraction. The slinky was originally invented as a way to stabilize nautical devices on turbulent seas. Its purpose was changed when it accidentally got knocked off a bench one day and walked down to the ground instead of falling. The inventor of the slinky, Richard James, once said, "Strictly speaking, I didn't invent the slinky. He practically walked into." And the next one is Listerine. This brightly colored bottle of Better Breath was perhaps unsurprisingly originally marketed and sold as a floor cleaner and a surgical antiseptic. People also use it to treat gonorrhea. Listerine was not very successful until it rebranded as a cure for bad breath. Then it took off when profits soaring from 118,000 to something around $8 million in the 7 years after rebranding. They sure were happy to have been flexible with their business when it needed it. And the next is Play-Doh, a source of endless entertainment for virtually every child. Play-Doh is something that is well known to every parent or child care worker. Heck, anyone who was ever a child, so many masterpieces have been created out of that brightly colored salty goop. However, Play-Doh first purpose was to clean wallpaper, created in 1993 to help clean sort of walls. It was a simple solution to a problem, especially being made of just flour, water and salt. This putty formula became obsolete when vinyl water came into play, which was easy to clean with just soapy water. It was eventually remarketed as a modeling clip for children, paving the way for a very bright future. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Comment us which invention you remembered up till now. We will meet in next video. For that, take care.